episode of Nritha saparya, presented by Atma Samarpana Academy of Dance. Today we are going to learn about the various Dhrishti bhedas, that means eye movements. Let's begin. Dhrishti bheda. Samam alokitam sachi pralokita nimilite उल्लोकितानुवृत्ते च तथा चैवावलोकितम् इत्याष्टो दृष्टिभेदः स्यु कीर्तितपूर्वसूरिभिः. समम् आलोकितम् आलोकितम् साची साची प्रालोकित निमीलित उल्लोकित अनुवृत्त avalokita. The first one is samam, when you are looking straight, or the stillness of the eyes when you are looking straight. Normally we will use this for the to denote the gods, like when they are showing like they are looking straight, or the stillness of the eyes. And the second one is alokita. Either this way or the other way, rotating the eyes. That is called as alokita. When we will use alokita? When we are showing, like when we are scared of something. When we are looking around, when we are new to a place and we are scared, so you'll be like, that is where we can use alokita. And then the third one is sachi, the side glance, either to right side or to left side. It's like we want to look at someone at that side without knowing, without making them aware of that. So what you will do, you will peep. Is she looking at me? That peeping, that is sachi. Next is pralokitam. Pralokitam is moving the eye glance is going both the sides, right, left. That is pralokitam. Where we can use it, like normally you will see when we are showing Krishna coming, he will be like doing this. Somebody is looking at me. Am I watched by someone? To show something like cunningness, we will use pralokita. The next one is nimilita. Nimilita is like, it's not fully closed, half closed. Almost you're looking towards your heart here, not down here. This is to denote the dhyana posture. When we are showing Shiva, or like when we are showing the dhyana posture and all, you will look like this. Not closed, half closed. Nimilita. And then next is ullokita, when we are looking up. When you are looking something on top, here, there. That is ullokita. The other one is anuvritta, looking up, the next one is anuvritta, looking up, down. We can use it like when we are really angry on someone, and then, or like we caught someone doing some mischievous things, then what you will do? You look, I know, like that, you look up and down. Yeah, that is anuvritta. Next one is avalokita, looking down. Something down. You're showing, if you want to look something down, that is kept down, or like to show something down, that is avalokita. So these are the 8 eye movements or Dhrishti bhedas.